Yo, Conquerors, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Arbitrage School. If you're new to the channel but you haven't subscribed, you can kindly do so. Yeah, okay, this is just the registration process for Deriv Broker. If you're not having an account with Deriv, you should be following this very step. But if you're having your account, okay, you don't need to create a multiple account because it's not acceptable. It's not acceptable by Deriv Broker. So you just need to click on this create free demo account. Okay, this is the one which you will be given something like this. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is my email at gmail.com. Okay, so you click on this I agree to the terms and condition and click on create. Okay, you can see you are being sent, okay, you're going to be sent the registration link will be sent to your email. So what this means is that you have to put in your rightful email address. Okay, you have to put a valid email address for you to receive that very link. Okay, so I will have to go check my email. I'll have to go check my email so as I can continue the registration process. Okay, let me get there. This is my Gmail. Okay, you can see this is the email. Okay, you see verify my email. Okay, you can either click on this verify my email or this. Okay, this is my Gmail. So clicking on verify, I'm using Chrome. Yep, so this is it. You select the country, your country of residence. Okay, select your country of residence. As of me, I'm here in Nigeria, so I'll be selecting Nigeria. Where's Nigeria? Oh, let's go there. If you're in South Africa, you put South Africa. Okay, all the countries are just listed here. You just need to make your selection. Okay, because you will be providing the means of identification. Okay, citizenship is Nigeria. Nigeria. Let's go next. Okay, you'll be asked to create a password again. Try putting on the password which you want. Okay, let me put on my password. Okay, we are good. Okay, I just put in the password and this is where I am right now. You should be here also. So clicking on this next and next and next and next and next. Okay, so this is it. Clicking on this start trading. This is start trading. I'll just click on it. Okay, so this is it. After clicking there, click on okay. You can see you are being given free 10,000. Okay, on demo. This is a demo account. Okay, you're going to be given this on your demo account. Once you're given this, okay, this is the one you are to use for practice. You're going to be using this for your practice. Whatever you need to do and understand, you will be using this. Okay, then maybe subsequently you can get to create the real account on this. Okay, right now you are having an account with this broker. Okay, for you to create a real account, you can see I just click on here. Okay, if you check here, this demo, if you click it, you will see real. Okay, which you'll be required to, okay, let's say clicking on it. Okay, it's put Deriv account. Clicking on it, you select the currency. You select US dollars. Okay, then you'll be required to fill in these very details. Okay, your first name, this is Aaron. The last name, this is it. Okay, but let me just put any. Okay, then your phone number. Okay, This is my phone number. You can reach out to me anytime you want. Okay, 9151310152. You can reach out to me once you're having a kind of confusion. Okay, your first address, you put your residential address. Okay, the one that tallies with let's say maybe your bank statement, the one that tallies with your bank statement, so as they can get to use it for your verification. You can get to use this one for your verification, and yeah, you'll be good to go. Okay, let me just put there. Okay, you can see this means of identification. You can either use your driver's license or your national identity number slip. Okay, that if you are in Nigeria, okay, this is just the registration process for those persons in Nigeria. Okay, I think for Ghana you can use NHIS card. Yeah, if you're in Ghana you can use NHIS card. It's acceptable. Okay, so this is just it. After this, you put on the number, the national identification number. Once you're done, you will be good to go. You'll be good to go. You'll be good to go. Yeah, let's go here. Let's go back to the demo. Okay, that's just the registration process for a real account. Okay, so once you're here, okay, on this very demo which you are being given, okay, you click on Deriv Trader. You click on Deriv Trade. Okay, clicking on that very trade. It's bringing you here. It's going to bring you here, somewhere here. Okay, this is where you can be able to perform the trade on the Deriv broker itself. Okay, I asked you guys to get MT5 or MT4, okay, because that's one of the platform we will be using to execute our trades. Okay, so now that we are having $10,000 for demo trading, okay, so click on this very D 10,000. Okay, so you will see something like this. Yeah, you click on this very thing. Yep. Okay, so you can see this is Deriv MT5. Okay, you need to create a demo account for that. Okay, click on get. Okay, clicking on this get. Okay, you see. Okay, you will create a password. MT5 you can use once you get on MT5. Okay, so let me use a very strong password here. Okay, so let me just use this. Now that I have my password, I will go ahead and click this create Deriv MT5 password. Okay, clicking on it, I'll get something like this. Let's wait for it. Okay. Okay, you get to see something like this. You can see, congratulations, you've successfully created a demo MT5 Deriv account. Okay, so you click on continue, and you can see this is it. So if you were to click on this very trade, okay, clicking on this very trade, you can see this is your login ID. Okay, let's go there on okay, I'm using iOS. Okay, I left my Android somewhere. I'm using iOS to record this. Let's search for Apple Store. Okay, this is it, and search for MT5 MetaTrader 5. Okay, this is it. If you're using an Android, you can go on Play Store. You will still get the same thing. Okay, you still get the same thing, this very thing. Okay, once you get to download it, and once you get to download it, you get to see something like this. Yeah, I'm using this. Yeah, I'm having an account already on it. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'm currently running a challenge. Okay, a profile account. This is a challenge account. Okay, so this is it. You click on new account. Once you click on this new account here, okay, this is it. Then here on this very place, you search for Deriv. Okay, Deriv. Once you search for Deriv, you see something Deriv Limited, something like that. Yeah. Okay, this is it. This is the broker which you just signed up. Okay, this is the broker which you just signed up for. So clicking on it, okay, you can see this is server, this is login, and this is password. You guys can remember the password which we created lastly. Okay, our Deriv MT5 password. Okay, so that very password is the one which we are to use here. So this is it. This is it. Let's get this thing. Okay, you can see server. This is Deriv demo. Okay, this is it. This is the server, Deriv demo. So this will have to go to Deriv demo. Clicking on it, you have to click on it so as you can get other options. So you can see Deriv demo. So this is it. And the login, you can see, you copy it. Okay, once you copy the demo login, you paste it here. And the password, you put down that very password which you actually created for your MT5. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, I just did that. Okay, clicking on done. This is it. It's loading the account. Boom, this is it. You can see the 10,000 just appeared here. So I can use this one to execute all my tweets. I can use this and execute all my tweets. You can see all the synthetic markets are here. They are now present. I can use it and tweet. Okay, you can see the volatility 10 index, volatility 1000, VIX 25, everything is just here. Okay, you can see them. You can decide to add up more of these indices. Okay, so these are all what you can trade. Okay, so let's get it done. You can see if I want to place a trade, let's assume I didn't check anything, I'm clicking on buy. Okay, you can see this is the trade. I'm currently on 0.07 cents. I can close it. Okay, I've closed my first trade with 10 cents. You can see it. So this is just it. Just try to follow the process. Gradually you get it. Okay, once you get it, that's all. Use the MT5 to get our trade executed. So you don't necessarily need the Deriv broker to execute your trade. Okay, so you can see if you're to check, okay, I just made 10 cents. Okay, you can see it's being added here. Okay, so if you're to check it here, you see it. Let me refresh this very thing, you get to see it. Okay, let me go back so as you get to see it. I don't know, am I refreshing it? Let me refresh it so as you can get to see it. You can see the 10 cent just came up. This is the demo, Deriv MT5 and the Deriv itself. Okay, that's why it made up to 20,000. Okay, it made up to $20,000. You can see 10 cents profit which I just made, and it's added to my balance. Okay, so this is just it. Try to follow up everything, and once there's any question, you can reach out to me. Check on the video description for Telegram channel which you can get to contact me personally. Okay, yeah.